Why video retention is everything and how to improve yours fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tendai. I hope you learned something from this video. Today, I'm going to break down exactly why your video retention is the most important metric on YouTube and how you can improve it fast, even if you're just starting out. Yes. So if your retention is weak, this is the equation that algorithm uses. If your retention is weak, the algorithm stops pushing your video. Underline that, yeah? That's as simple as that. There's no magic to it. If your video retention is weak, then your algorithm stop pushing your video. It doesn't matter now how good your thumbnail is or how bold and everything is on your channel or on the thumbnail itself, or how many people click the video. Because clicking and staying is two different things. If they leave early, your video dies. But when I say dies, it doesn't get pushed. But if your retention is, yeah, everything changes. If it goes up, everything changes. YouTube shows your video to more people. You gain more watch time, you gain more views, and your whole channel starts to grow faster. So, what can we do about it? So, what exactly is the video retention? Okay, is the percentage of your video that people actually watch. How much of your video, if your video is 10 minutes, how much of it are people watching, right? So the percentage of the video that people watch actually, right? If people only watch the first minute of a 10-minute video, that's 10% retention. If they watch all the way to the end, that's 100%. And YouTube tracks this second by second. I have a trick that I do on my kids' channel, which I do. I've started making my videos just 1 minute, 2 minutes. So the kids will watch all through and it helps. Okay. Now, here's the truth. You don't need perfect retention. Nobody gets 100%, but you do need strong average view duration. The better your retention graph looks, the better your video performs. So your goal is simple. Get people to stay as long as possible. And where you find all these numbers, in YouTube Studio app. So make it your friend, that app. Yeah, that's it. So like I said, my videos on kids channel are 1 minute. Kids are likely to finish the video or half of it, which is good for me. Time after time, I throw this little thing. Let's talk about the key thing here to improving retention. Is the hook. You have about 5 to 15 seconds to convince someone to stay. 5 to 15 seconds, they're not much. If you waste it on long intro, channel tags, or slow setup, they're gone. They are gone. The best performing video gets straight into something interesting, a question, a promise, a bold idea, a promise. You're promising them what they're going to learn from this video. Okay. You have to immediately give the viewer a reason to stay, make them curious, make them feel like something valuable is coming, and they have to stick around to get it. As simple as that. Next, pacing. Your pacing. The number one reason people leave videos is because they get bored. Your pacing has to stay sharp. Every few seconds, something should change. Not just stock images and stuff like AI and stuff. Change them over and over. Okay? Whether it's the visual, the tone, the idea itself that made you record the video, or the energy that you are passing on to your viewers. If your video stays in the same scene for too long, the viewer's brain starts to drift. They get brain fog and they're gone. You don't need fast cuts just for the sake of movement. No. Ish pash pong. But you do need progression. Slowly, things happen. Yeah? Keep things moving forward. Cut out anything that doesn't help the message. No filler. That's a failure. No rambling, just value, bit after bit. Keep bringing the information. Yeah. Another powerful way to increase retention is to use open loops. What are open loops? These are moments when you tease something that's coming later in the video. Say things like, but wait till you see what happens next. Or, I will show you the trick I use at the end that always works. Yeah, you're keeping them holding on, anticipating. They're anticipating what's coming next. This creates curiosity, and curiosity keeps people watching. That raises your engagement. Okay. Also, break your content into sections. If you're teaching something, don't just dump it all in at once. Say things like, here are the three mistakes you need to avoid. Oh, let's go step by step. This gives the viewer mental checkpoints. Okay, so check these checkpoints, it keeps them engaged because they feel like they are on a journey with clear milestones. Let's talk about visuals. Visuals variation plays a big role in retention. Even small shifts, zoom in, like a cut to B-roll, yeah, a cut to a B-roll, a quick pop-up on screen, right? It can reset the viewer's attention. It won't be boring, especially if you are doing like a talking head video, yeah. You need to keep it visually interesting. Think of your video as a conversation with motion. The more you move the visuals without distracting from the message, yeah, and digressing, the longer people stay. Another thing that helps retention is YouTube love emotion. They look for this in videos. If your video makes the viewer feel something, excitement, surprise, relief, motivation, those are the emotions. They are more likely to stick with it. They're more likely to watch the whole video or most chunk of the video. Okay? Emotion keeps attention better than logic. Right. So even if you're teaching something technical, teaching people how to use this camera lens, yeah, that's technical. Connect it to real problem or personal story. Make it human. Yeah, make it human. So now let's talk about audio. Bad audio is the one of the fastest ways to lose a viewer. I am not saying if it's like this when you're trying to talk. I'm not hearing anything. Okay, people will forgive low video quality but not poor sound. If your mic sound echoey, fuzzy, or too quiet, people click off. So fix your audio. If you don't have a microphone like I have here, speak up. You don't need expensive gear. Just speak up. Lift your voice. Just a decent mic and a quiet room goes a long way. Like right here, you're not hearing anybody talking. You're hearing me, not another person. Your ending also matters. Most creators lose viewers in the last 30 seconds because they stop delivering value. They start saying things like, that's it for today, or thanks for watching, and the viewer exit instead finishing strong and lead them to the next video. If you want people to stay on your channel, you have to guide them there. Connect your videos. Let your videos connect. Don't isolate your content. Make sure you tell them, watch this video because it will give you this and this and this. Promise them. Okay? They'll keep coming back. The more they stay on the channel, algorithm loves it. Say something like at the end, if you found this helpful, you're going to want to see the next video, which is right here on the left or on the right. It ties everything together. They're going to stay on your channel, not somebody else's. Then point them to your next topic. Use your end screen. When you put pictures, yeah, videos here, keep them watching. The longer the session on your channel, the more YouTube will push your videos. YouTube will notice that you are somebody, you're a force to reckon with. Yeah. Also, study your retention graph inside YouTube Analytics, inside YouTube Studio. Look at your YouTube Analytics and see where people are dropping off. If there's a big dip at 30 seconds, ask yourself why. Was this pacing too slow? Did you go off topic? Was there a moment that didn't make sense? Learn from every video. Use that data to make the next one better. Retention improves over time as your storytelling gets tighter. Don't aim for perfection on your first few uploads. Aim to improve one thing each time. You hook, your pacing, yeah, your hook, your pacing, visuals, your structure. These small changes compound over time. Yeah. So when your retention improves, then your watch time increases too. And guess what? When your watch time increases, then the algorithm pays attention. Yeah. Should I repeat that? When your retention improves, your watch time increases, and your watch time increases, that means algorithm pays more attention. Your video starts appearing on the homepage, which is what you need, in suggested videos and in search results. That's when growth starts to speed up, which is what we are all looking for. And I hope you're aiming for that as well, right? So don't chase vital hits. Do not try to make hits, chasing them over and over. Chase the retention. Build videos that keep people watching all the way through to the end. Touch wood. It's not just about clicks. It's about holding attention. After they click, hold them on the video longer. That's the real secret YouTube growth. That is the secret. There's not any other secret. This is the secret. Okay, thanks for watching. If you want to know how to actually turn those viewers into subscribers, just like normal viewers or people that have bumped into you into viewers, and why most creators fail to do it, go watch my last video right here now. I broke it down step by step, and it connects perfectly with everything we just talked about in this whole video. Is right here. Click the screen or check the description box for the link. I'll see you there.